Kani kadai ka Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasni, belawan rashapi da ka umrupa, ringkat bat ka orange Nissan, lom sopo near Fire Brigade Ground, Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Menteri Rang Bak Jelau, Konrad Kongkal Sangma, mentak singi baar kat atrik benai leber arajar kat kendai, ulawan rai kamang tengka, kabashi hajar lai spa, ar pulai kelur tengka, nak pentau senam arajar kat kendai, ar hajar, ar po. Hapo ka dorbar, mang tengka jong ka yeng dorbar thau an, kaban sakut no kat sau terik mentau benai leber. Kat kum kucing itu jong Menteri Rang Bak, hapo ka dorbar mang tengka mentak singi, ka kat atrik benai leber arajar kat kendai, gani kucing pulut pisah, kabalong, shi hajar, lai spa ar pulai kelur tengka kalong kumbalai 0.2% na ka gross state domestic product GSDP. Hawan ra ikamang tengka ka baar jong ka sarkar MDA balai lam da ka National People's Party ukon rat lai thu ba ka jela ka khmilinti ba ka jingyo pediang ka pisan na ka mentau snam kan long kan riu hajar sispa khandai kelur tengka na ka jingyo lum khajana bala khain antat kumba khat saw jar saw spa lai phra kelur tengka bat ka jingyo pediang ya ka pisan na ki weipan ki jingmi kan long shi jar nyau spa ndrup wei kelur tengka.
Budget estimates for 2019-20. So for 1920, I have estimated the total receipts at 16,199 crores, of which the revenue receipts are estimated at 14,438 crores and the capital receipts as 1,761 crores. Excluding borrowings of 1,736 crores, the total receipts are estimated to be 14,463 crores. On the expenditure side, I have estimated the total expenditure at 16,202 crores, of which the revenue expenditure is estimated at 13,700 crores and capital expenditure at 2,502 crores. Excluding repayment of loans of 416 crores, the estimated total expenditure is 15,786 crores. Interest payment for 2019-20 are estimated to be at 746 crores and pension payments at 855 crores. I am therefore presenting the budget of 2019-20 with a fiscal deficit of 1,323 crores, which is around 3.65% of the GSDP. Conclusion, sir, in my conclusion, I would like to reiterate the commitment of this government to strive for improving the well-being of each and every citizen of this state. And I would like to end with a few words of inspiration line from Robert Frost. The woods are lovely, dark and deep, but I have promises to keep and miles to go before I sleep, and miles to go before I sleep. Mr. Speaker, sir, with these few words, I commend the budget to this august house. Kublai, Mathela, thank you.
Thank you. So the budget estimate for 2019 and 20 is presented.